We can also use the tangent ratio to find the length of one side of a right angle triangle. That's when we have one angle and one side. That's apart from the hypotenuse. So let's say we have a right angle triangle like this, something like this, and this is like this. Let me fix this like this, and I can clean this part. So let's say we have a right angle triangle like this, and this side is, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this side is, let's label this as B, this side AB, let's label it as B, then this side is 7 centimeters, and the angle here is 55 degrees. 55 degrees. Now for this right angle triangle, the plan is to find the length AB. That's what B, the value of B here. So the first thing we need to do here is to try to identify the sides we have. Now you notice here, this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side is the side facing the angle 90 degrees, that's AC, while the side opposite the angle we are considering is the opposite. Now 55, the angle 55 is facing the side AB. So this is the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse, and the other side will definitely be the adjacent side. So since we have the opposite, we are considering the opposite side and the adjacent side, it means we'll be using the tan ratio. So this will be tan 55 degrees is equal to opposite, which is B, all over the adjacent, which is 7 here. So this, for this one, we can cross multiply. I would have something like this. Would have 7 times tan 55 degrees equal to B times 1 is equal to B. So this we can just write this as B is equal to 7 times tan 55 degrees. Now for tan 55 degrees, let's use our calculator. We'll say tan 55 degrees. This is 1.4281 approximately. So just say 1.4281 approximately. By the time we multiply this, we'll have our final result as 9.9967 centimeters. And this, we can round this off to nearest whole number, and this will be 10 centimeters. So it means that the length AB is 10 centimeters. Now let's try something else. So what we've done is we've actually used the tan ratio to find this other side just with one side, which is not the hypotenuse, and just one angle. Okay, let's solve this question. This says in a triangle ABC, C is 90 degrees, B is 28 degrees, and CA is 12 centimeters. Find BC. Give your answer to two significant figures. Okay, let's say the triangle looks like this. Let's say the triangle looks like this. It's a right angle triangle. So it looks like this. Now, I know you might be saying, how did you know it's a right angle triangle? You see this angle here is 90 degrees. This angle here is 28 degrees. So it means this is going to be C, since the angle at C is 90 degrees. And the angle at B is 28 degrees. So let's just say this is our B here. 28 degrees, and we have that CA is 12 centimeters. Let's take this as A. So CA is 12 centimeters. We're asked to find BC. Let's just take this as X. Give your answer to two significant figures. Now, since we have, this side here is the hypotenuse, the side facing the angle 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. Let me just write HYP as the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. The side that is opposite the angle we are considering is the opposite side. So AC is the opposite side. Just write opposite, and the adjacent side is the side BC. So we can use the tan ratio because we are considering the opposite side and the adjacent side. So just say tan 28 degrees equal to opposite, which is 12 centimeters, all over the adjacent, which is X here. So we can just cross multiply, and we'll have X times tan 28 degrees equal to 12. And you see here we have tan 28, but we need to find the value of X. So just divide this left hand side by tan 28 degrees, and this will be X times tan 28 degrees all over tan 28 degrees equal to whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must also do to the other side. So I divide by tan 28 degrees. This will cancel this, and we'll have this as x is equal to 12 all over tan 28 degrees. So let's do this with our calculator. This would be 12 divided by 12 divided by tan 28 degrees, and this is 22.5687. Let's just say 22.57 approximately. 22.57 centimeters approximately. But the thing is, what if we're in a situation when we don't have a calculator? It looks cumbersome to divide 12 by tan 28 without the calculator. It's definitely going to be a bit cumbersome. So without the calculator, how do we go about, how do we tend to solve this type of problem? We need to find the complement of the angle 28 degrees and use that angle to solve this type of problem. So the complement of the angle 28 degrees, which is B, is the A, is the angle at A. The complement of the angle 28 degrees is the angle here at A. And to find the angle here, what we need to do is just say 28 degrees plus the angle at A, that's the angle B plus the angle at A, is equal to 90 degrees, because the two angles are complementary, so it sums up to 90 degrees. And this would be A, the angle at A, equal to 90 degrees minus 28 degrees, and this would give us 62 degrees. So it means the angle at A is now 62 degrees. So let's say we are considering the angle at A, which is now 62 degrees. So we'll just say tan 62 degrees is equal to the opposite. Now, if we are considering the angle here and not the angle 28 degrees, the new opposite is going to be the side facing the angle 62 degrees, which is x, opposite, all over the adjacent. The new adjacent is going to be this side, the side adjacent to the angle 62 degrees, which is this side, which is 12 centimeters. Okay, 12 centimeters, and this will be, we can just cross multiply here, and we'll have 12 times tan 62 degrees equal to x. Now you notice, instead of dividing, we are multiplying. It's easier to multiply than to divide a decimal number. So what we'll do here, this will be 12 times, let's find the tan of 62 using our calculator, although you can use your tan table to find that too. So this will be tan 62, this is 1.881 approximately. 1.881 approximately, let's check that again, 1.881 approximately equal to x. Now, multiplying these two numbers is quite simple than dividing 12 by tan 28 degrees. So by the time we multiply this, we'll still get x is equal to, we'll still get x as 22.57 centimeters, still the same thing. So to avoid dividing by the tangent of an angle, like in this case, what you just need to do is to find the complement of the angle and use its tangent.